So far, what's going on today? That's our new mallard, Muscovy, I mean. He's lavender. And then we got some geese, which I think I've shown already. Give him some bread. There's a rooster. He's a frizzle. And a female Muscovy. Hey, tickies. There he is. See him? He looks gray. He's a grayish lavender color. Just thought I'd check in and show everybody what's going on. Not a whole lot. I really like this pool though. Muscovy's breed in it. I don't know about them. I've gotten one goose egg since I got her 3 or 4 days ago. And I get duck eggs from the Muscovies every day. Oh, here he is. He's coming closer. Come here, pretty boy. I don't know what to name him if I do. I come out here and hang out in the mornings. It ain't too cold. It's kind of therapeutic to watch them sit around and do their thing. Here's one of my brown ones. 2 females I got. They're not laying yet for some reason. I think they're too young still. But I love that frizzle. He's trying. Look at that. I don't know if they even know what he's doing. And the goose chases him off. They came together, the geese and them brown ducks. And they act like they're their parents. Look at them. You're silly. So anyway, so far these are all I have on my homestead at the moment. We butchered the pigs and meat birds last summer. But they all seem to be pretty happy. All laying eggs. Doing their thing. Oh, he's going to chase her off. There comes the chicken my grandson named Poop. He named her Poopsie because when she was a chick and he was holding her, she pooped on his hand. And my daughter asked, well, what do you want to name her? And he says, Poopsie. So it stuck. I don't know what, I can't remember what she is, but she's pretty friendly. They held them a lot when they were little. Here comes Nicki Minaj, the black one there. I've had her since she was a chick too. Nicki Minaj, we call her Nicki. And our little rooster, she's getting in that little coop. His name Rod Stewart. Rod. It's a frizzle. Are you gonna chase her off still? He's kind of a butthead. He's gonna come be a meanie right now. Look at him. Thinks he's Mr. Studley. Hey, Goosey. His name's Goosey, and her name's Lucy. So Lucy Goosey. And them silly ducks. Oh, someone laid an egg. Excuse me. in the coop there. Hey, it works. All right, well, that's what's going on today at the farm. Not a whole lot. I'll catch y'all later. Bye for now. Have a great day.